So question 8. We're going to calculate this angle in here. So hopefully you can see this is a trig question. So if it's a trig question, first step is deciding whether we need to use the sine or the cosine rule. We only have two sides, but we do have two angles, which means we'll be using the sine rule. Now, next step is I'm going to label up this triangle. I'm going to make that A, B, B, C, and C. So I'm going to rewrite the sine rule as sine of A over A equals sine of B over B with the angle on top, which means that when I bring this over to that side, it's much easier. So what is sine of A? Well, sine of A is actually just sine of X. What's A? 150. Sine of B is sine 66 over 140. So taking that 150 over to the other side, we get 150 sine 66 over 140. Do then sine -1. You can just write this whole thing, do inverse sine of this whole thing to save you having to write out a bunch of numbers. So typing that into my calculator gives me 78.1807715. Let's round that to a whole degree, which would be 78 degrees. And that's you.